Hey everybody, it's John here from Solar Pros Cleaning Service, getting ready to work on a 640 panel 199,000 kilowatt system, and we're running with the best skid ever from Mark Solons from AM Pressure Washing. Big shout out to Mark. We have our 3-stage water filtration system here with chlorine block and our 2-stage DI tanks and our handy TDS meter to show what we're running as far as clean water out of here. So this array is on different 5 different buildings, so we're just going to take it one at a time. So let's check to see. So let's check and see what kind of water we're producing here. The water going in, I didn't get a shot of that, but it was about 243 parts per million. And then right now what's coming out of our system is, let's see what we're getting here. Alright, we're running 0, so that's what we want. Anything below 10 parts per million is going to give you the streak-free look and doesn't need any type of drying or squeegeeing. The water just evaporates right off, so there's no calcium, minerals, nothing left over like you would find on your shower door. It is a cloudy day, as you can see. We had rain yesterday. I'm really excited about that, so I want to go up and get a meter reading. We have the Fluke irradiance meter that tells the actual production of what the solar panels are making. So I want to go up there and get a reading. Even though it's cloudy, you can still get some production. I mean, let's go over here to the actual inverter, and you can see what output they have right now. So they're doing about 1018 watts, 1016, 17, 18. So there is, on the light spectrum, there are different rays getting through the cloud cover. So we are going to see some change, I believe, from a rain day yesterday and after professionally cleaned solar panels with pure water systems and the J Raisin steam brush that we absolutely love. Alright, I'm going to get up on the roof and then we'll see you back soon. Alright, back again on the first array. I forget how many panels here, like 40 I believe. So we went ahead and did our visual inspection that we do for all our clients. We look at all the panels one by one. You know, we're really not here to race around. We want to give our clients an opportunity to see what's going on with their array. I don't imagine they regularly come up here, so we want to provide that opportunity for them, that they can get the report that we email them. It's a PDF report, and we just look for all parts of the system, the mounting clips, all the wiring. We're looking for any cracked wires or deteriorating wires. And you can see behind me, there's one of the arrays there, separated by 2. Here's the other one that we're going to start cleaning here soon. And then on the next building over, there's looks like 2 more sets that we're going to hit after this one. So we're going to have to wrap up and hop over to the next one. And I'm really excited, like I said before, that it rained yesterday. And I think one of the biggest misconceptions about solar panels, and not to get after the sales guys, but they sell them as they're maintenance free, and I would argue they're not. And hopefully after this video we'll be able to show that the rain does not do a sufficient job cleaning your solar panels. It just doesn't. I mean, here we can show you some buildup, and last time these were cleaned, I think, since the inception. So these were put on about 2 or 3 years ago, and they haven't been cleaned. So here's a look at, if you guys can see it. So we'll get in close here, see if we can see the buildup. You can kind of see the spots on the arrays. Yeah, just this is something that has to get done regularly. We recommend at a minimum 1 year, once a year, to get your panels clean. For maximum performance, you want to look more at something as biannually, which we offer. And if you really want to take it to the next level, quarterly will get you the there's an air vent there. We'll get you the most performance, because you're getting them cleaned regularly. And it also depends where you live. Here we're in Rockwall, Texas right now, and it's right next to a major freeway, so you got pollution, you got dust. There's tons of construction always going on in Texas, so there's a lot of things that will build up on here that yes, the rain will help get the top layer off. Yes, the rain will help get the top layer off, but it's not going to get the grime that builds up over time. And we're going to go ahead and get out the meter so we can get a reading and see if we can't boost the performance after a cleaning on this cloudy day here in Rockwall. It's about 44, 45 degrees, I think. I could be wrong, but the radiance meter will let us know how wrong I am. So let's get this baby out. So let's get this out. Here it is. This is going to tell us what we need to know about these panels. It's going to tell us the temperature. Okay, it's actually a lot warmer than I thought. Alright, so let's go ahead. It says it's 50 degrees out here. I don't know if you can see that. So we're at 49, 50 degrees. Alright, let's put this down. Okay, so we're pulling about 109 watts per meter squared. It's incredibly low, but that has to do with the weather right now. But I'm very certain that even reading at 100, we're gonna see an increase after these are cleaned. I don't know if you can see the grime. Just depends what angle you look at. But we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning. We got the hose out and our J Raisin Stream brush out. We'll look at that here in a moment. And here we are rolling with our ladders and our setup and our truck. We got our cones out to make sure people know that we're around and we're working. All right. Okay, we're gonna start at the farthest array. And here's our J Raisin Stream rotary brush. This is the workhorse of this whole operation, besides the pressure washer that brings the water up here. But to get the panels clean, this brush is specifically designed for solar panels, and it is water fed and it runs off of the water. So the pressure comes through this transmission here, and it's aluminum housing with stainless steel parts inside that makes the gear spin, that spins the brush. And then we just got to go down, fire up the pressure washer to get water to the water fed pole, and we'll get to cleaning. So enough yapping, time to get to work. All right, throw some footage of work in here. Okay, we finished with both of these arrays, so they're clean now, as you can see, nice and wet and shiny. These ones finished sooner, so I'm gonna go put the meter on and see if we can't get a reading. Remember, it was about 100. The weather really hasn't changed all that much, so we'll see what we got after our cleaning. If we're putting any more output here. So fire up the meter. Okay, so here we go. So we're showing 192. I mean, we were at 100, so we're almost doubling the output before the cleaning. So let's go to a different spot, double check. Let's see here. So here, about 187. Still have an increase. Here on the other side, fire up the meter. Alright, so yeah, this side we're around 200, so we're averaging about 190, I would say. Alright, so even on a cloudy day, even after a rain yesterday, all day, the panel still showed an increase in output based on the Fluke irradiance meter. So you can expect that to happen after you clean them. And these have been here, like I said, about 2 to 3 years and haven't been cleaned once. So we'll go ahead and check the inverter also and see what the difference is down there, because the whole system now has clean panels that are all producing about 100 watts more than they were before. So there should be a significant increase on the inverter. We'll go check it out. The cleaning is done. We're back at the inverter, and the AC active output, even with the clouds, is at 237 or 250, kind of bouncing between 230 and 250. And if you remember, if I remember, I can't even remember now, I think they're at like 14 or 1500. So huge increase even with the cloudy day. All right, on to the next one.